Okay, so I wanted to do an arts and crafts channel. So this is basically my arts and crafts channel. And yeah, so basically what I do on here is arts and crafts. So if you have any questions, you can go on my little post that I posted and read that. And you can and on Tuesdays, which is like tomorrow, you can ask me questions. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Whoa.